Hello and welcome to this MyCredits tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up the MyCredits widget for your website. The reason you would want to do this is because it gives your customers a better experience. So let's say that they are visiting your website. Right here I have my example site for the first time. And whenever they're on any page, mobile or desktop, they'll see this little icon down here and they can click it, in which they can sign up for your rewards program. I have this color coded, I'll show you guys this in a minute. But basically, you can click to join so they can sign up. It goes right into your system, or existing customers can click to sign in. Additionally, even if you haven't signed up yet, you can click down here to see like how to earn or how to redeem. So it shows people all the different ways, like our Facebook page, sign up for our newsletter. And it'll even tell them like how many credits that they can earn for taking these actions. And then it also has a hover thing, click there and sign up. Additionally, it says how they can redeem, which, they can connect their PayPal. We have a coupon system that's launching soon. I'll talk more about that in another video. But long story short, let's get this widget set up for you, and let me show you kind of how this works. So I'm going to go ahead and click out of that. Let's go back over here to your dashboard. So when you're in your MyCredits dashboard, what you're going to do is you're going to go up to the icon up here and click into company settings. Once you do that, you'll be on this screen, and then you just go over to the widget. How you find this might change a little bit, but essentially all these settings and how everything's set up is very similar. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and this is what it looks like whenever you first log in. And this is the snippet of code that you're going to paste into the very end of the body code, or you can also put it in the footer as well. So what I mean by that is you take the script and you put it at the very end before the end of the body code. So what you're going to do to enable this, though, is you just click it. You can choose if you want this to open automatically or not when they first visit your website. So I'm actually keeping it off, but it might help for some people that have never been to your site before. It'll pop up and it'll say, hey, earn rewards, for taking all these certain actions. So you can test that out on your own. Then down here it says you can click these on. I recommend to. You can reward people for installing the extension or installing the mobile app. And then of course you can change the colors. So right now I just stop. It should be green for you, stock, but you can literally change these to whatever you want, just to give it a different aesthetic. So the cool thing about this is now that you can reward people for liking your Facebook page or signing up for your newsletter or subscribing to your YouTube channel. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and just remove these so you guys can see how I set them up. But this is kind of how you're just setting up new action offers, essentially social offers. So I'm going to create a new one, say like us on Facebook. And you can choose to give them as many credits as you would like. I would keep the numbers lower though, because if people are purchasing products from you, you don't want people, getting the same amount of credits for liking your Facebook page compared to purchasing your product, if that makes sense. So I would just say, 1 credit. And then URL, you're just going to put your Facebook page. So for now, I'm just going to put our MyCredits blog just so I can actually put something here. But normally it would be, facebook.com/ whatever your page name is, essentially. So we'll just say http mycredits.com/blog. And another thing is if it's not working for you, make sure you put the HTTP or HTTPS, which means it's secure. And that should work. And then you just select an icon and you hit confirm. So now that's set up. Any customer that logs in using this widget and clicks on that link to like your Facebook page, they will earn a credit for taking that action. So the other things we can do is, like us on Instagram. It really doesn't matter. You could, let's say, sign up for newsletter. And I want to give them a few more credits because that's, valuable to me. I can send them emails and follow up with them. So I definitely want them to take that action. So then I'll just, put the URL for wherever that, it doesn't have to be a newsletter. It could be any type of offer and a landing page software. It doesn't matter. If they're signing up to a list, send them to that URL. Wherever they sign up, click, send them there, and that's about it. So because it's a newsletter, I'll put this little mail icon. I can even say like earn by 5 credits. And then we'll do that. And yeah, so now you can put all these different offers here. And when you first set up your account, you might have set up your YouTube or something. It'll actually automatically prompt you to set those. So I can just click that, and it went ahead and just put my YouTube channel there as well for me. So I'm just going to say, okay, confirm, and then that just set up another offer. So once you set all this up, you need to make sure that you click the save button, or it won't show up over here in your rewards. So let me just click that. The other thing I do want to do is I'm going to change this to blue, just so change the colors a little bit. We want it to look nice, so let's do that. There we go. Hit save one more time. So now, as a customer, if I go over here and I'll just refresh this page and click rewards, this is what it will look like. So existing customers can come over here, they can sign in. I say, okay, like what new ways can I earn credits? They can see how many credits they've earned, and when they click how to earn, they'll have all the offers here. So as you can see, sign up for newsletter. If I click this, it's going to take me to the MyCredits blog. So as I said, you could send this to any page essentially, but this is kind of how it works. Once they click that and they sign up, they will earn the credits for taking that action. Yeah, so that you can also do it with videos. The videos is based off of how long they watch, so how long the video is. So if the video is really long, like they'll earn more credits for it. As you can see, I just clicked on this offer, and it's now crossed out as well. So people can't redeem the same offer and over and again. But essentially, yeah, you can set that up with tons of different offers. As they watch the different videos, they would be crossed out. As they take other offers from you as well, those will be crossed out so that people aren't redeeming the same function over and over again. Something that's really cool that the Shopify owners specifically will get to do, this is only for Shopify, is we'll have coupon codes that you can set up. And I'll show you how that works. This will change soon, but I can go in here into company settings, and you go into connections, and then when you click this gear icon for Shopify, I can say I want to add a new coupon. So if someone earns, let's say 100 credits, meaning they spent $100 with your company, or they watched a ton of videos or whatever it may be, you can decide, okay, I want to give them $5. And to me, like that's a good, comparison. If they're spending $100 with you, hey, like, thank you for, doing business with us. Here's $5. And then you can kind of scale that. So it's like, okay, 200 credits, they can redeem it for $10. And by doing this, it will incentivize your customers to come back to your store. So this is a new function that will be working here very shortly. And by the time you're watching this video, it's probably working. So I'd go in your account and see if you can set those up for yourself. That's pretty much the entire overview, but let's install this on your site now. So what I'm going to do is go back over here, grab this snippet, and I'm going to go. So on Shopify, you have to go to Online Store, you go into Themes, and then you have to go to Actions, and then you go to Edit Code. Once you do this, you have to go into the Theme Liquid file. I know this might look daunting to some people. It's not that difficult. I'll be able to show you how to do it. So click in the Theme Liquid. You can see that it switched to that over here. And what we're going to do is we're going to scroll all the way down, and you might not see body right here. It might be like hidden on this side, but you're going to have to look. It should be right before the /HTML. So basically what I want to do is drop my script. So I already have it here, but before it looked like this. So let's just say it was like this. And then I would just hit a space and just make sure that I paste this in. Once you do that, you just hit save. Once you do that, it should show up on your website and you'll be live. Another little trick, if you're using WordPress or like landing page software, whatever it may be, there's a plugin called Insert Headers and Footers. You can use this at your own discretion. I've never had issues with it before, but it may be an easy way for you to add this to the footer of your website. I wouldn't put it in the header because the header is like always the first thing that loads in your website. So keeping it at the footer is better because the rest of the elements in your page will load faster and you definitely want that for your visitors. So put it in the footer. If you can do it custom, all the power to you. But if you guys don't know how to, add this custom code to your site, this is the easy way to do it. Just download it, add it to your WordPress site, and you should be good to go. But yeah, if you have any questions about this stuff, just reach out to support and we'll help you out. And I really can't wait to hear feedback from you guys on how this widget's working for you. So have a good day.